Hello, you are so welcome to day 18 of the 30 days of motivation with me. As usual, I am always excited to have you. In today's motivation, we are looking at the reassessing your vision every so often. Do you have a vision? Are you working towards your vision? Do you take time to relook at what it is that you are trying to achieve? Okay, so that is the subject for discussion this morning, or whenever time it is you are watching me. If this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abokra Minatu, and I help mompreneurs to win and build a successful business online. This I do to help her have a better life for herself as well as her family. Now, it's not a bad thing to do a tune-up on your vision and or your goals very so often. As you change, so will your values. Time is changing. You are aging. The thing that you find today so important might not be tomorrow. So as you are journeying, as you are moving ahead, never be afraid of changing the goals that you've set for yourself, the vision that you have for yourself. Simply because as you grow, your experiences keep changing, and that also keeps changing your vision. Never be stuck in one place and thinking that as for this, that is it all. There is so much more you can do if only you will stretch yourself. So let's look at a positive affirmation with this. As you keep your vision for the future fresh, you allow yourself to draw new aspiration or inspiration from it whenever necessary. So all the time, whilst your dreams are fresh, keep adding or taking out, you always feel great. So let's look at the quotes that we have for today. Not beginning to recognize our lifelong dreams is like not being able to recognize that we are alive. Not being able to recognize our lifelong dreams is like not being able to recognize that we are alive. Allow yourself to dream, wish, and imagine the best that could happen. Vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time, and then vision with action can change the world. I hope you enjoyed today's motivation. If you did, please feel free to tag those you know are also going to benefit from this video and share it with them. And don't forget to like the video and comment below what it is you picked from it. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so, as I release a lot of trainings on this channel to help you and stay motivated and also grow your business online. If you are struggling in your business, there is a link in the description below. Click on the link and book your free 30 minutes coaching call with me, and I will surely see you in the inside. Until then, it has been lovely, and it's a bye-bye for now.